And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Well, we had widespread snow across southern Colorado last night. Looks like Custer and Fremont counties were the winners with snow totals around 3.5 to 4.5 inches. Near Westcliff was our highest report that the National Weather Service got at 4.5 inches. Pueblo Airport did pretty well, 2.5 or 2.2 inches. And the Colorado Springs Airport, not as much, just under ½ inch, but other parts of town saw 1 inch or 2 of snow. So this morning was very cold, icy roadways. We only were at 2 degrees to start the day in Pueblo, 10 this morning in the Springs, but we did rise to the upper 30s today. So the sun and above freezing temperatures allowed for our roads to melt pretty nicely. In downtown Colorado Springs tonight, you can tell that the sidewalk and the road on Tejon are clear. So we had some good snow melt today. It's 28 degrees. Temperatures are falling very quickly tonight. It's going to be another cold night across the region, especially because the sky is going to be clear. In Pueblo right now, you can see at the Riverwalk, there's still snow in the grassy areas, but the sidewalk is okay. We had a fair amount of melting in town as well. 26 degrees currently in Pueblo. But there's some spots that didn't see as much melting today, especially areas that were in a lot of shade. So there's still plenty of snow on the road and ice in Cripple Creek. So just let that be a reminder that there's still probably some slick spots across our region tonight. Speaking of tonight, our temperatures are going to be really cold, single digits and teens in the mountains, generally teens for the plains for us. So very cold to start the day on Tuesday, but Tuesday afternoon is actually setting up to be our warmest day of the work week, and that's due in part because we have a downsloping breeze. Notice the wind in the mountains and foothills is going to be increasing overnight into Tuesday morning. Gusts around 20 to 30 miles per hour. Downsloping off the mountains will lead to a drying and warming trend for Tuesday, so that helps our temperatures to warm. So we were pretty much stuck in the 30s today, and highs tomorrow will boost up to the 40s, even a couple of low 50s. The mountains will range from the 30s to 40s. In the Pikes Peak region, El Paso County for the most part mid to upper 40s. That's around normal for this time of year. Tuesday highs along the Arkansas River, upper 40s to low 50s. So Tuesday should be pretty nice. I would recommend getting outside. You might notice a fair amount of cloud cover in place on Tuesday afternoon, but we should be dry. But then very quickly, we are going to see our next snowstorm come in. That starts late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning. Here's just about 4 a.m. We're starting to see snow moving into our region from the north. It will spread south across southern Colorado, and it will basically be snowing off and on all day long. So this storm looks to be slower moving than Sunday night's system. Plus, it has a little extra moisture with it. It should start to clear out by Wednesday night into Thursday. We're going to see the sun return, but do expect impacts to roads for both the morning and afternoon commute on Wednesday. Here's expected snow totals with this storm. Anywhere from about 2 to 6 inches for I-25, a little bit more in our mountain zones, especially Westcliff, Levita, Rye, a little bit less into the eastern plains. This should be our higher impact day looking ahead, as after this storm moves out, we're going to see temperatures rising back to the 40s. This weekend looks lovely. So in Pueblo, another round of snow accumulating on Wednesday. Should be snowing all day long, so expect the snow gear, and you'll need to drive carefully. Canyon City also planned for snowy roads on Wednesday, with conditions drying out by this weekend. Finally, Woodland Park, you're also going to experience several inches of snow Wednesday, clearing out this weekend.